Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the detailed view of Affil India and our targets reached from 1900 onwards and what are the future perspectives of this company and future targets and when to enter into this stock. First, going forward, we have to see the financial body of this company. Friends, due to COVID, digitalization and digital marketing given a big boost to this company. And one thing that going to discuss in this is the revenue. Friends, first we are going to compare same year quarter to quarter revenue generation, that's 1349 crores to 1500 crores, and the net profits that Q2 it posted in 7th one 269 crores and this quarter 306 crores. And next thing is comparing same quarter last financial year, that is December 31st 2019, there the revenue is 944. Now December 31st to 2020 revenue is 1500. It's nearly 70 to 80%, and the profit also it given 214 crores to 306 crores, and it is also nearly 60%. So friends, I am expecting it will continue. And why? Because see the perspectives of digital marketing and 5G and all are the things which are positive to this company. And the next thing is the revenue generation from 9-month period of last financial year, this financial year. Last financial year it posted 9 months ending 2537 crores, and this 9 months 3752. It's a huge difference, you think. And the profit also 502 crores. Now 9 months ended this financial year 764 crores. So friends, now what it happened means this 9 months period is the net profit which crossed last year's total net profit. That means year ending March 31st to 2020, it has a total profit of 655 crores. Now in this quarter it posted total 3 quarters 964 crores. So the revenue and the net profit which crossed last year's figure. So from this quarter results which are going to be released are the extra benefit and the time span which 1 year what they done. So I am expecting this is the huge difference what we are going to see in next quarter results. And friends, next we are going to see the company details about what the products it has and how the future will take over. Friends, its enterprise level products are app development and O2O marketing platform and audience intelligence and data management platform. Coming to app development, friends, if any retail company or any other thing, if you think Borosil Limited, this is a glass manufacturing company which doesn't have online platform before COVID, and during COVID they developed online platform also. If you go and see the Borosil Limited site, it will allow you for a marketing place, that means as a online platform to purchase glasswares, homewares, kitchenwares, and these type of app developments will develop by this company. And O2O marketing platform, this means online to offline marketing platform. Friends, under this O2O marketing platform, we are going to see if you kept an order in online and you will take this on offline retail store. This is O2O marketing platform, and this company also provides marketing, digital marketing. That means if you have a mobile, you will see an digital ad in your mobile. That is digital marketing. That is also provided by this company. And audience intelligence, friends, this is the main thing which is same as artificial intelligence. Friends, audience intelligence means I am awareing about if any customer search some product in mobile, you will get an automatic update in your phone as a what you call ad. This is the place where this company plays a key role. They will take your data, they will analyze your data, and they will take what you are searching for and they will post again their company product in your mobile. This is what they are taking as analytics and background work of so much of data and data management platform. What I said earlier, they have to search lot of data, they have to see lot of researches on data itself. Now live streaming data plays a key role, which is managed by top companies on artificial intelligence and by using big data solutions like Spark Scala. So going forward they will use AWS, Kubnos and all the things. And first they are having some products in detail. I am going to see that is market mobile advertising, mass and programmatic ad platform REVX. It is the best app which was 2020 announced by some top analysts and top tech companies. And this product has what I said earlier, they will take automatic decisions of customers and they will post automatically the ad in your mobile or laptop. And next one is Viz Engaged and Mets Media Smart and MFAS fraud detections and omni-channel marketing panels and O2O marketing platforms. These are the things which it has and ARC app development and market multi-channel commerce and MCDP audience intelligence and MDMP data management and rich media and videos MKR8. And friends, recently it acquired one of the company also and it completed last Friday with totally it merged in Affil India. So friends, this is my view on Affil India and I am increasing its target to 6,000. But friends, before consolidation we have to take a step and we have to enter about 5,000 below. Why? Because due to rising COVID cases in India, the market will fall again, but not like March falls, but it will fall little bit. Already Friday the market falls due to the concerns of market with this COVID, and now also we can expect a fall on Monday that starting initial sessions, but after that we have to see how it acts. So friends, take that opportunity and I am looking that 5,000 below 5,000 is the best value to enter this company. 5,000 and 4,800, 4,900, these are the best values to enter into Affil India. So friends, this is our view on Affil India. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends.